What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nene back with another video, and today's is another makeup tutorial video. And as you can see, I am putting toner on my client's face, and I'm using a new brow pencil, and this is ColourPop. I told you I was gonna get it in the last video. This is ColourPop in the color brunette. And I'm just filling in her brows with it. Also, I like the pencil. I really like it. It was good. It was smooth. I like how it doesn't come out like too dark, but you know, it just gets to the point. So I will be purchasing this again because I really like it. Now I am using my Morphe brush that I always use to conceal my brows, and I am using Tarte shape in tan sand to conceal her brows. Y'all, I've been trying to take out these nails like for the longest, and like I don't know what to do, but they're ugly as hell and it's so hard to come off, like, and I don't even get my nails done like that. But yeah. And now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics V5 brush. I found out about this brush from Kiki Adams. I love her. I love Kiki Adams. Her makeups are bomb.com. And so I was just like, let me try this brush, and I really like it. So I used it to buff out the concealer, and now I'm just doing the other brow. I kind of don't want to use LA Pro anymore. I'm gonna stick to Makeup Revolution and Tarte for now. But I also came across ColourPop's concealers, and they're thick, and I like it. But when I went to Ulta, they didn't have the color that I was looking for. So next time I will definitely get it, and I will do a makeup tutorial using it and let you guys know about it if you didn't use it or you're planning on using it. And as you can see, I'm just blending out the concealer. Those Tarte concealers do not play. They get dry. And now, as you can see, I'm applying it on the lid. I also applied deep, I think it was deep tan. I bought the small one just to see how it would look and how it is and stuff like that. So yeah. And now I am applying, I think this is Roxanne on her lids from the Jacklyn Hill palette. She has big, beautiful eyes. I'm just tapping that on her lid. Next, I'm going in with Pukey, and I'm applying that right above Roxanne. And I'm just blending that out, and I'm using a smaller brush, and this is from the Rose Gold collection from BH Cosmetics. I love their brushes. It's really soft and nice. And now I just went in with the V5 brush. I have two of them, so I used another one, and I'm just like blending it out. Like, I don't want it to have like this harsh, you know, little harsh lines. But I went in with Chip, and it's like a dark brown, and I just kind of went in just like put a little bit in her crease just to smoke it out a little bit. And now I'm using this is 368 and Maybelline Fit Me mixed with the 24 Hours Super Stay Maybelline foundation. I forgot what color it is, but I'll have it listed down below. And I'm just using my Instapop foundation brush, and I'm just tapping that foundation into her skin. Also, I used primer before I applied the foundation. Oh yeah, and you can see that I applied lashes on her, and I did her liner off camera because my camera died, and I used number 77 in inglot. And now I am using deep tan, and I'm applying that under her eyes to highlight. I really like this, so I'm gonna get the full one. I don't know if it's deep tan deep, or tan deep, one of them. But yeah, I'll have it listed down below. And now I'm just taking my Instapop foundation brush, and I'm just concealing the edges of where I applied the concealer. And I'm doing her chin, forehead, and yeah. And now I'm taking my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I am tapping in the rest of the concealer that's under her eyes. And now I'm using Topaz and Laura Mercier mixed, and I'm applying that all over her face. I'm setting her forehead, her nose, everywhere that I apply concealer, I'm setting. She has nice eyes. And now I'm taking Black Opal in the color Ebony, and I'm putting that down her jawline, and well, not jawline, her under her cheekbones. And I kind of went off camera and did it because my camera was dying once again. And I used my MAC Studio Fix Skin Finishing Dark Deep, and I dust off the setting powder, and then I went in with some blush, and now I'm using Morphe Spark to highlight. Yes. And now I'm using Auto Lip Liner in the color Cocoa. And I'm just lining up her lips. Yeah, I feel like everybody that I do makeup with is just so silly. Wow. She's so funny. And now I'm using NYX liquid lipstick in Baby Doll. And now I'm applying CoverGirl natural lip gloss, just to give her a little gloss, And I'm just going in with my brush just to blend up everything on her lip. And now I'm taking my NYX setting spray and I'm setting her face. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like her look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.